Are you ready for an adventure that is both fun and educational? Well, we are the Click, and we're going to introduce you the Ladders and Durand. Ladders and Durand is a snake and ladder inspired game that teaches the children values. This game is appropriate for 8 to 11 years old. Our objective for this game is to learn about different values and to reflect on how these values are important in their everyday life.
Our board game called Ladders and Durand. The word Durand is derived from the root word of ing, in which we mostly see from the examples of the verb such as swimming, dancing, singing. The root word of ing is the gerund, in which it is the activity that is represented. So our tagline for our game is climb up with good morals. To start the game, the players needed are a snakes and ladders board, a deck of cards, and player pieces. So we already have the snake and ladder board, the deck of cards, and the player pieces, in which are these are hats. Well, here are the instructions on how to play the ladders and drum. So this is on a board. So the player must set up the card and board first. So each player puts their piece before the start. Then that will be the number one. So to start, the youngest player will draw a card and to the oldest. So it this maybe depends on the player if they want to oldest to youngest or youngest to oldest to start the game. And then they will move their piece according to the number of points from the card that they draw. So if they land on a ladder, they will draw a card, and if their answer is right, they will have the permission to climb up to the top, and then if they land on a snake, they will slide down. The next instruction is how to play the deck of cards. So the player lands on a ladder, just like what I mentioned earlier, is that they will, before climbing up, they will draw a card first, and then they will read the card. The adults or guardian can assist them if they don't understand the words that being said from the card.
Now that we already explained what are the instructions for the game, we will show you how to play this board game. I got the question card. You have homework after class, but your friends invited you to play with them outside. What will you choose? I will choose to do my homework because doing homework is important than playing outside with my friends.
Okay, ilang points? One.
Ang baba.
At ganun. Also, I got a question card. Your classmates are judging your classmates for being a thief, for stealing your things. However, she didn't steal them from you, but only asked if she could touch it. What will you do? I'll explain to my classmates that my classmates did not take my things or did not steal my things. Got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got a question card. After you come home from school, the first person that you see at home is your grandmother. How will you say that you came back home from school? Well, what I will do is I will bless or mano and then tell her what I did at school. I got one step.
Both kayo nakapit na ng 16 ah. Gagi kayo dalawa. I got a question, and the question says, you saw your teacher outside the school, and you are planning to greet her. How will you greet her? Well, I will greet her depending on what time is it. I will tell her, good morning, ma'am, or good afternoon, ma'am. How are you today? And that points are 3. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan sinunod yung
I got the Durant card. Sure, what attitude you like among the players? The attitude that I like to Ate Weng is she's kind and positive thinking. I like the attitude of Ate Lorraine is when she is lively and smart. I like the attitude of Ate Marimel is she is quiet, kind. That's all. And so I got the +4 step.
Ay, siya. I got the Jarant. So help the next player.
I got the Jiran. I will now share, it said here that share moments when you are thankful. I am very thankful for every moment that I will woke up from my bed, from sleeping, and having a food for every day. I got 3 points and Marimel will help me.
So I am also thankful for everything that I have and for the life of every people around me.
I got 3. Hindi, 5. Because we have 1, 2, 3.
Grabe to.
I got Jiran. And the Jiran says, wait quietly for 5 seconds. 1, 2. Okay na. Ito na.
I got the question card. In a classroom, if you notice your classmate struggling to open his lunchbox, what will you do? I will help my classmates opening her lunchbox. +2 points.
I got the Jarant card. Share a story about the person who you forgive after upsetting. It was my friend when she accidentally bumped me. 7.
Compliment someone among the players. I would like to compliment Marilyn because she stayed quiet for 5 seconds. I got 3. 1, 2, 3.
Unang. I got a question. The question says, you have group work and one of your members makes a mistake. As the leader of the group, what will you do? I will point out what she did wrong and help her to right those wrong. Ano po? Point number 1, 2, 3.
Share your points to one player. I will help this one because it's with me.
You share your one.
3 kami.
+3.
+3.
Wow.
Wow!
Wala na kulelat yung pusa.
I got the Jarant card. Help the other player answer the card after you.
I got the
I will also tell my grandfather that I am already home and I will bless.
I got Duran, which I will help the next player.
I got Jiran. Wait quietly for 5 seconds.
Oh my God!
We have both two. Ay, kakainin ako.
Oh no!
One, two.
Oh, 2 ako. 1. 4, di ba? 3.
Alaga. Bumawa.
Ang hirap pala nun. Ang hirap pala tulungan. Ang hirap mo pala tulungan.
Tumulong ka na lang.
Tumulong kasama ko sa
Oo nga, one eh.
I got the gerund. And share the moments when you are thankful. I am thankful that me and my family are healthy, and I'm also thankful that I met with you all.
Tama! Kaya nga. 5. 5. Plus 3. Oh my God!
Solution for that. I got 3. 1, 2, 3.
Here is the reminder on playing the game. The children must have fun in playing letters and around. The first player reach the end will be the winner. So the players also not forget to be kind if another player is struggling, such as landing on a snake, landing on a ladder, or drawing a card. So the players must help and say something encouraging, so there will be no one be left out on playing the game. So all players must follow the rules and wait patiently for their turn, and don't rush others. Celebrate when someone climbs a ladder or reaches the end to have a fun and good atmosphere.
So now we show you how to play the game. So the ladders and geruns helps the children in their everyday lives with the help of answering the questions and showing what will they do in the geruns. And here on the bottom of the cards, it shows the good values in which that it will make the children know what are the good values that they are doing in the card. So that will be all. We are the Click. I hope you all have fun. That's all.